Welcome to Paloma Health, the online medical practice for hypothyroidism. Paloma Health is a full-service practice offering everything you need to thrive with hypothyroidism: thyroid blood tests, doctors, nutritionists, thyroid supplements, support, and information that will change your life. The complete Paloma Health at-home thyroid test kit includes thyroid stimulating hormone, free T3, free T4, and thyroid peroxidase antibodies. You can also add on reverse T3 and vitamin D tests. Thyroid testing has never been easier. Just buy your test kit at the Paloma Health website. After it arrives, register your kit online and take your blood sample. Then mail back your test with a prepaid label. After it's processed at the lab, your results are uploaded to your secure online dashboard within 5 business days. Getting a sample is easy and painless. Use the lancet from your kit to prick your finger, massage your hand, and add small drops of blood to the test card. How fast is that? You can consult with a trusted Paloma Health thyroid doctor by smartphone or computer. Paloma's doctors know their stuff and are able to write prescriptions and are open to all treatment options for hypothyroidism. Paloma Health's doctors are affordable, and depending on your state and provider, your costs are often covered by insurance. You can also do a video consult with Paloma Health's thyroid nutritionists. They'll help you understand your nutritional needs and develop a personalized thyroid diet plan just for you. Paloma's Daily Thyroid Care Supplement is backed by clinical research. It's iodine-free and provides 9 essential nutrients your body needs in just 2 daily capsules. The most affordable way to benefit from Paloma's groundbreaking hypothyroidism care is with a Paloma Complete Thyroid Care membership. For a low monthly cost, you'll have concierge access to tailored ongoing thyroid care. Members also get discounts on all Paloma Health products and services and other special member perks and benefits. And your Paloma membership quickly pays for itself with discounts on Paloma's at-home thyroid tests, low-cost online visits with Paloma's top thyroid doctors, and major savings on Paloma's Daily Thyroid Care Supplement. Supporting your healthy life with hypothyroidism is also part of the Paloma experience. Paloma offers a free mobile thyroid app with everything you need to manage your hypothyroidism. Get access to lab and symptom trackers, AIP diet guidance, recipe library, medication reminders, and so much information about all facets of Hashimoto's and hypothyroidism. And it's available for free on both iOS and Android. You can join us for Paloma-sponsored free live events, including virtual retreats and a monthly speaker series. View live presentations from top experts and ask your questions in real time. And don't worry if you miss one. Replays are always available. You'll also find dozens of free informational and educational videos organized by symptoms and topics on our YouTube channel. Whether you want to lose weight, understand your thyroid tests, or even need help falling asleep, you'll find a Paloma Health video to help. Visit our website at www.palomahealth.com to find everything you need to know about Paloma's innovative approach to hypothyroidism care. Paloma Health's blog has hundreds of free evidence-based articles on Hashimoto's, hypothyroidism, autoimmune disease, nutrition, medications, and related symptoms and conditions. Join us also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Paloma Health, and on Twitter, go to @HealthPaloma. You never have to feel alone with your hypothyroidism because Paloma Health has a free patient community and forum. You can give and receive support, share experiences, and learn new ways to feel great as you connect with other thyroid patients. Why should you choose Paloma Health for your hypothyroidism care? First, hypothyroidism patients are our top priority. We want to help get you feeling better faster. You'll also discover how easy your hypothyroidism care can be with Paloma Health. You'll get access to top doctors, testing, treatment, nutrition and lifestyle advice, support, and of course, information, and all from the comfort of your home. Finally, we're on a mission to make your thyroid care affordable and convenient. And because you'll be informed and empowered, you'll be an active partner in your thyroid care with a medical practice that always puts you first. And that can truly change your health and your life. Paloma Health invites you to learn more about our cutting-edge, personalized approach to modern hypothyroidism care. Becoming a Paloma Health patient could change your life.